Hey guys, welcome back to. I got a new voice use robot. It's not new, but it's not new. So it's the Aposen a450. It's the name of the vacuum. So that's the name of the vacuum. So yeah. I just started watching it right now, and I named her Ella. That's her name. I named her that. So she's doing a very good job cleaning. It got stuck a couple times, but had to save it from that. So I don't know how it works. I never have one of these vacuums before. The only one I had is right here, which is the Robot BS10. That's the name of this vacuum right there. So yeah, that's the name of that vacuum right there. So this one is the, let's see, Aposen Aposen a450. I think that's the name of this vacuum. So yeah, that's what it is. So it's doing a good job cleaning so far. So I thought I'd give my review to you guys. So see how it's doing. So right now it's doing it's doing the wall. It's doing the wall here against the wall. So yeah. So that's what it's doing right now. So alright, you guys, I think that's it for now. So I think it went over that spot already. So you get stuck in there when it goes like that. So you don't have to rescue it, get stuck like there. So that's the only problem I have with this vacuum. So get stuck in there. Other than that, it does a really good job. So I think it should be done by now. So I'm about to press pause. I'm about to guide it with these arrows. So I'm guiding it right now. Alright, I'm about to send it home right now. So it is closer to home, so hopefully it finds his home. It is pretty close to his home, so hopefully it can charge itself. Alright. There's not that much light in here, so yeah. I don't know if you wanna check out the dust, because otherwise it'll start charging. But alright, moment of truth. Moment of truth. See how much dust was in here. Sorry guys for the lighting, it's not that good in here, but I don't know how to open these. Hold on, you guys. I want to set down the camera. This is how much. I don't know if you can see it. That's how much dust was in my room. And looks like it's mainly dust and hair, so it did a pretty good job. So I give it 5 stars to this vacuum. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. So alright, that's it for now. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, bye.